How to compute exposure time using calculator FX 100 ms. Our source iridium 192, fill factor 2.5, our curie 30 curie, thickness 15 mm. So our pipe is 10 inches. Okay, let's start. First, film factor. Our film factor is 2.5. Double comma 0.48. This 0.48 is decay constant. Multiply curie 30 curie. Our SFD or source film distance, 10-inch pipe. Our source on the top of the pipe. Depend on our radiographic techniques. So our source film distance in mm is 254. So our unit is meter. Multiply to 0.001. So our answer is 0.254 meter. Then squared, comma, multiply, shift inverse, comma, negative inverse to multiply thickness 15. Our thickness 15, so double 30. 15.5. Oh, sorry. 15.5, comma, so our 15.5 constant. Constant for carbon steel and stainless steel. For the aluminum, we will use 48.3 constant for aluminum. For carbon steel and stainless steel, 15.5. So here we go. Then answer equals so 0.0428, and then press this one. So this is our answer. So our exposure time is 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Our exposure time, this hour, this is minutes, and this is seconds. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.